Number 5. SeekOne Mini Heat Gun. If you constantly find yourself in need of a compact and handy heat gun, the SeekOne Mini Heat Gun is just what you've been searching for. This little tool is a game changer for all of your small projects around the house. The SeekOne Mini Heat Gun is perfect for projects in tight spaces where a larger model wouldn't fit. The low weight and small size make it a breeze to maneuver and store when you're done. The kickstand also comes in handy when you need both hands free to work. One standout feature of this mini heat gun is its focus on lower heat and airflow, making it ideal for tasks like drying paint, shrink wrapping, embossing, and electronics repair. The reflector nozzle is a great accessory for protecting nearby objects while you work. What really sets this heat gun apart from similar models is its simplicity. With just one heat setting and a basic design, it's straightforward and easy to use. The 5-foot power cord may be a bit short, but it keeps things tidy and prevents tangles during your projects. If there's one downside to this mini heat gun, it's the lack of extra accessories included. However, the overall functionality and portability more than make up for this minor drawback. For the best mini heat gun that's compact, versatile, and easy to use, the SeekOne Mini Heat Gun is the top choice for your DIY projects. Check it out for yourself and see the difference it can make in your home projects.